Hi guys, this video is specially on my viewers' demand. They're asking me step by step process to learn English language or to start speaking English. And I actually did some brainstorming here, like how could I explain step by step process to learn English language, because it's a bit complicated, but anyways I'm going to tell you in my language. I hope you'll understand that. First of all, enjoy the process. Yes, learning language, don't take it too seriously, enjoy the process. You know what, you must have seen many advertisements or many videos, 7 दिन में English सीखिए, 21 days and you will not say I don't know how to speak English. Are you serious? Am I a fool? It's been a year or more I have been learning this language. You know my journey, you know my videos, you know my progress, but I'm progressing at the same time. Okay, आप लोग ही बोलते हो कमेंट्स में कि अरे यार आपने तो मुझे सरप्राइज कर दिया, आपने बहुत इम्प्रूव किया है. दैट इज द ओनली पीस ऑफ मोटिवेशन फॉर मी, दैट यू गाइज आर टेलिंग मी दैट आई एम इम्प्रूविंग, आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड द लॉट. व्हाट एल्स यू वांट? मैं खुद का रिकॉर्ड नहीं रख रही हूँ, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. आई एम जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन दिस बिकॉज आई डोंट बिलीव इन लुकिंग बैक और ट्रैकिंग द थिंग्स. I only believe in practicing and working on myself. That's what I'm doing, but thanks to you I'm getting feedback, or I'm getting that report card like yes, no, yes, no. All right, so let's not distract from the topic. The topic is step by step English speaking. Why I said enjoy the process? Because entertainment is very important in life. I don't know whether you have experienced or not. You may be very much interested in watching a video rather than reading a book, because movie entertains you. When you're reading, you cannot picturize it in a well manner, but when you're watching a movie, you are getting everything. So what I was saying is enjoy the process, whatever it may be. अगर आप read कर रहे हो, अगर आप कुछ सुन रहे हो, अगर आप लिख रहे हो, या आप कॉन्वर्सेशन को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, एंजॉय दैट थिंग्स. या फिर आप सिलेक्टिवली वही चीज लेकर बैठो जिससे आपको खुशी मिलेगी, जो आप एंजॉय कर पाओगे. फोर्सफुली आप कितना भी कोशिश करो नहीं हो पाएगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग आई वांट टू से इज enjoy the process, whatever it may be. It is gonna take time. Don't be in a hurry, be patient. Look at my journey. अभी 2 साल हो जाएंगे, मैं सीख रही हूँ, आई एम इम्प्रूविंग, राइट? सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज वेरी क्लियर and very simple, that you need to be patient. You need to understand that it's a process. It is gonna take time. It is not like कि 7 days में हो जाएगा. 21 days ये करो और आप नहीं बोलोगे कि आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती. It is not gonna work this way. Okay, so first thing you gotta do is reading. Yeah, start reading. I know it's a very old method, it's very traditional. अभी कौन पढ़ता है? Come on. अभी ज्यादा ये ट्रेंडिंग हो रहा है कि पढ़ो, पढ़ना इज अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. यू नो, इट हेल्प्स यू टू गेट आउट ऑफ द क्राउड. ये आपको अलग बनाता है. अगर आप पढ़ते हो ना तो लोग बोलते हो अच्छा यू लाइक रीडिंग, यू रीड बुक्स. कौन से बुक पढ़ते हो आप? तो आगे वाला ना ऑटोमेटिक आप में इंटरेस्ट लेने लगता है. अगर आप बोलते हो कि आपको रीडिंग पसंद है, आप बुक पढ़ना चाहते हो, यू विल नॉट बिलीव दैट आई हैव यूज दिस टेक्निक मेनी टाइम्स इन माई इंटरव्यूज. Like I like reading, I read novels, or I'm reading this book right now. Then they ask me something about that book, like who is the author, what is in that book, why did you like reading that book and all. So उसमें मेरा आधा 1 मिनट ऐसे चले जाता है. So really जब आप बोलते हो ना कि आप रीड करते हो, रीडिंग आपका हॉबी है, आपको पढ़ना पसंद है, तो आगे वाला बहुत क्यूरियस हो जाता है और आपको पूछता है कि लाइक व्हाई डू यू लाइक रीडिंग, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डोंट एंजॉय रीडिंग. And if you are interested in reading na, people will be interested in you, trust me. So that is the first thing. And reading kaise karna hai? Read it aloud. If you read it aloud, no, your 3 senses will get active. First is your visual, second is your voice, and third is your sound. So it will help you to be more observant due to your visuals. And second thing is that your voice, if you speaking out loud, you will not feel lazy or you will not feel sleepy, because frankly reading अगर आप करते हो तो आपको जल्दी नींद आ जाती है. It happens with me also, so I mostly try to read loudly. Alright, and third is like voice. It helps you to clear your pronunciation. And yes, one more thing, don't forget this. Don't just read mindlessly, okay? You should be active enough to read and to understand what you're reading. स्टार्टिंग में बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगेगा, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू कि स्टार्टिंग में आप ऐसा कुछ पढ़ो जिसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट हो, लाइक नॉवेल्स, लव स्टोरी सबको पसंद होती है, तो आप वहां से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. First step is very important for laying the foundation for you to speak any new language. Alright? So pick up any good quality English book so that you can learn and understand the sentence formation. Alright? Second one is writing. Yes. This is also a very old method, traditional method. कुछ नया बताओ, but trust me, this is the process जो हमको like हम पुराने लोग जो बोलते हैं ना वही फॉलो करना होता है. बस you need to understand how to advance this. Now writing is not like नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि आपको बोला जाता है कि आप दिन भर में क्या करते हो आप लिखो. आई विल नॉट से दैट. आई विल टेल यू दैट आफ्टर रीडिंग इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट राइटिंग. जो आपने पढ़ा है उसमें से आपको क्या क्या समझ में आया है वो आप स्टार्ट राइटिंग. एनीथिंग, लाइक इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड दैट योर सेंटेंसेस शुड बी करेक्ट. नो वन इज गोइंग टू जज यू ऑन योर राइटिंग्स. इट इज दैट इट्स अ प्रोसेस, यू नीड टू फॉलो इट. दैट्स वाई write down the things you read in that book, or else you can continue with that journal writing. What are the things you have done throughout the day? You can write down point to point. So at 10 minutes max you can give to this practice and it will definitely help you out. So writing is really very important. Writing helps you like remember the things you have done, and it will help you to like portray your observations. Third one is listening. Not just listening, active listening. Okay, try to listen as much as English content you can. This is the best step. I like this so much. I can spend my whole day listening English, but not on broadcast. No, I don't like broadcast because I'm not someone who will just listen and understand. I want visuals in front of me. So I prefer watching videos and listening to that content. I prefer speaking. I prefer to see people speaking how they are speaking. Like I really enjoy watching interviews. I really enjoy watching Netflix shows, YouTube contents. I really enjoy watching people who are creating videos, their gestures, their postures, their lip sync, their expressions. This is something really amazing to watch. It helps me to like be on that platform for longer time, or it helps me to like be consistent. So this practice I usually do. I don't forget. I actually spend my lots of time watching videos. All right. So I will also suggest you to do that. You can also go for broadcast if you don't have time. But what I am telling you is videos will help you much better than broadcast. So why not stick to the things I enjoy? Because in the beginning of the video only I have told you that enjoy the process. That's what I'm doing. Alright, so the next point is speaking with people who are fluent. Yes, this is something really very important. So initially it is not like कि आपको उनसे ही बात करनी है जो fluent हो. Initially आप normal intermediate लोगों से भी बात कर सकते हो, but अगर आप fluent स्पीकर्स से या जिनको लैंग्वेज अच्छे से पता है उनसे बात करते हो तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है. दे कैन पिक योर मिस्टेक्स एंड दे कैन करेक्ट यू देन एंड देयर. सो दिस विल बी वेरी यूजफुल. यू विल नॉट बी रिपीटिंग दैट मिस्टेक नेक्स्ट टाइम. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ it is gonna help you a lot if you're speaking with the fluent speakers or the people who knows the language better. So platforms are there, right? So आप इस fluency use कर सकते हैं जो मैंने आपको बहुत बार बताया है मेरे previous videos में. It's a free app, you can use it. and अगर free से ज़्यादा benefit लेना है तो उसमें कुछ courses भी है. उसमें आपको fluent speakers भी मिल जाएंगे जो आपको help करेंगे. Other than that, you have Clappingo, which I am using right now. You have Cambly. Cambly I haven't used, but I think native speakers hai, to of course it will be helpful for you. Okay, so yes, this is gonna help you a lot. And speaking is of course like that is the main agenda. If someone asks you, you should know the reason. You should know where the problem is. and my problem is I cannot speak English fluently. Your problem can be I cannot speak English confidently. Okay, so the solution is only, if you don't know how to, you need to try. So start speaking English no matter how broken it is. Okay, just start speaking. I used to speak very bad, right? Now also I'm not fluent, but I can speak well now. I'm confident enough to speak at least. So these are the things I have achieved in my journey and I'm still working on it. So that's how it will be with you also. Okay, and if you like feel little doubtful about yourself, like nothing is happening with me, it's been a long time I'm doing this process, I'm practicing but I'm not getting any results. If you have doubt, you need to know who you are, you need to believe in yourself, you need to understand that if you're working on something, it is gonna give you results in few days, in few months, in few years, but it is definitely gonna worth it. And yes, don't forget to choose a video content which you really enjoy watching, because enjoyment is important. If you're enjoying your things, if you're enjoying your work, if you're enjoying your practice, you are definitely gonna stick to it for longer period. Okay, so no matter what step you're doing, whether it is reading, writing, listening or speaking, you need to enjoy it. Okay, try to speak with the people who are keen about, who are interesting. Like you can select those people. If I'm giving you an example of clapping, then you can select the tutors whom you like and you can build your interest with them. So yeah, I think that's it for the day. I hope I have covered all the points which I thought are important. Otherwise, you guys are smart enough. If you are if you're ready to go on this journey, which means that you must have done some research or some homework. If you still think that I missed something, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would like to read your comments. Alright, so just start your journey. Let me know if I need to improve something in myself. I would love to do that. Thank you so much for your constant support, and yes, of course, a very happy new year to all. Just rock this year. Alright, happy learning.